Hello students, previous lecture we have seen the electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, two reaction. First one is the halogenation of the chlorobenzene and second one is the nitration of the chlorobenzene, and we get ortho and para substituted products. Okay, student, next reaction. The name of reaction is sulfonation. Sulfonation reaction. This reaction you have seen in the last year. What is the meaning of sulfonation reaction? Last year you have seen this is the structure of benzene. Benzene is reacted with concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid undergoes dissociation takes place. We get two ions. First one is a SO3H plus and second one is a OH minus. SO3H plus is nothing but it is a sulfonyl group. SO3H is nothing but the sulfonyl group. This H and OH comes together with each other in formation of H2O. Formation of H2O, and SO3H plus goes to this side and formation of SO3H. Students, tell me name of the compound. The name of the compound is the benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. What is the exact definition of the sulfonation reaction? First, sulfonation reaction is a electrophilic substitution reaction when one hydrogen atom of an benzene is substituted by SO3H or substituted by sulfonyl group in formation of the benzene sulfonic acid. This reaction is called as the sulfonation of the benzene or sulfonation reaction. Students, today we are going to discuss what happens when chlorobenzene is treated with concentrated H2SO4. Last lecture or previous lecture we have seen the chlorobenzene as per resonating structure, as per resonance effect. This lone pair on the chlorine take part in the resonating structure. Therefore, chlorobenzene is a ortho-para-directing. In H2SO4 undergoes dissociation takes place to get two ions SO3H plus and OH minus ion. Okay, this SO3H plus electrophile sulfonyl group goes to the ortho position and para position and formation of new product. That is, first product is a ClSO3H plus ClSO3H. Okay, SO3H, how many SO3H? 2 SO3H in the product side. Get 1 SO3H, we can write 2. How many chlorobenzene ring? 2. We can write reactant side 2. And how many OH minus ion? 2 OH minus ion and 2 H plus. Formation of the 2H2. Okay, what is the name of the compound? You know that it is a benzene sulfonic acid and 2 position chlorine. Therefore, name of the compound is a 2-chloro-benzene sulfonic acid. The name of compound, it is the main compound, benzene sulfonic acid. We can 1, 2, 3, 4. We take number in this way 1, 2, 3, 4. The name of compound is 4-chloro-benzene sulfonic acid. 4-chloro-benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, students, in your examination of the question, what happens when chlorobenzene is treated with the sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid? What is the answer of this question? When chlorobenzene is treated with the concentrated sulfuric acid and formation of the 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid and 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Another common name of this compound is the ortho-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, and it is the para-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Students, keeping in mind this reaction, it is important reactions. Students, you know that another type of the electrophilic substitution reaction, it is the important reactions. The name of reaction is a Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay, there are the two types of the Friedel-Crafts reaction. First one is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. What happens in the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction? We can write chlorobenzene is treated with CH3Cl. Tell me name of the compound. Name of the compound is methyl chloride. Name of the compound is a methyl chloride. It is a chlorobenzene. Okay, this chlorobenzene is treated with the methyl chloride in presence of Lewis acid AlCl3. Okay, in this CH3 carries with charge, positive charge, Cl carries with charge, negative charge. CH3 goes to the ortho position and para position because chlorobenzene is as per resonating structure, it is a ortho and para directly. We get two products. First product Cl CH3 and second product it is a chlorine and CH3 plus twice HCl. Okay, we can write 2 in the reactant side of the 2 chlorobenzene and 2 moles of the CH3Cl, and formation of these two product, it is a ortho substituted product and it is a para substituted product. Okay, name of the compound 1 2 3 4. Name of the compound is a 1-chloro 2-methyl benzene. Okay, name of the compound is a 1-chloro 4-methyl benzene. Students, what is the exact definition of the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction? You know that alkyl group, when one hydrogen atom of an alkane is removed, when first example, if you consider CH4, name of the CH4 is a methane. When one hydrogen is removed from the methane, formation of the CH3. Tell me name of the CH3, methyl. Such as methyl is nothing but the CH3, ethyl is nothing but the C2H4, propyl is nothing but the C3H7. Okay, what is the exact definition of the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction? When one hydrogen atom of an benzene is substituted by the alkyl group, and formation of the new substituted product, this reaction is called as the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. In your examination of the question, write a note on Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. What happens in the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction? When chlorobenzene is treated with the methyl chloride in presence of the Lewis acid and formation of the ortho and para substituted product. Okay, this is the one type of the Friedel-Crafts reaction. The name of the type is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Okay, students, another type is the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. You know that Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, what happens in the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction? Chlorobenzene is treated with the, one hydrogen atom of an chlorobenzene is substituted by the alkyl group. What is meaning of Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction? When one hydrogen atom of an benzene ring or aromatic compound is substituted by the acyl group. What is the meaning of acyl group? Acyl group is nothing but the CH3C double bond O. CH3C double bond O group is called as the acyl group. Students, we can carry out the reaction. It is a chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene is reactive with the CH3C double bond O Cl. It is the name of the compound. It is a common name, acetyl chloride. Another name, it is a ethanoyl chloride. Okay, what happens when, in this case, CH3CO carries which charge? Positive charge, and Cl carries which charge? Negative charge. CH3CO plus is the acylium ion, and it is the electrophile. Chlorobenzene is the ortho-para directing, therefore this electrophile goes to the ortho and para position of the chlorobenzene, and formation of new product. First product COCH3, second product Cl C double bond O CH3. Tell me name of the compound. You know that it is a benzene. COCH3 is the thing, but it is a acetophenone. Acetophenone is the main compound. Naming as 1, 2. Therefore, name of the compound is a 2-chloroacetophenone. 2-chloroacetophenone. Name of the compound 1, 2, 3, 4. Name of the compound is a 4-chloroacetophenone. It is a 4-chloroacetophenone, and remains another product, byproduct is a twice HCl. We can write 2-chlorobenzene, 2CH3COCl. Students, in presence of Lewis acid AlCl3. In your examination, ask the question. Write a note on Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction and define Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. What is the meaning of Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction? When chlorobenzene is treated with the acetyl chloride, when one hydrogen atom of an chlorobenzene is substituted by the acyl group COCH3 and formation of the new products ortho substituted and para substituted acetophenone, this reaction is called as a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Okay, students, today will be stop here and tomorrow will be proceeds. Thank you very much.